Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today I am at the Dollar Tree. I'm looking at their Christmas decor and looking for stocking stuffers and some arts and crafts. Why don't you come shop with me? I love to shop at the dollar store, and there's always some good items because they're great stocking stuffers for the kids. And look at, there's some nice cute stuffed plush. You always find some great arts and crafts. The kids are not too talented, so you find something cheap and it's always good. But the first thing I found here are some items for the door. They're a light wooden cardboard type material, but they were kind of cute. And for $1.25, hey, not so bad. I like taking a look at everything. They've got plenty of gift wrap if you need that. Over here are some socks, which always make a good stocking stuffer, and some nice decorations. Nice cute little gingerbread man. And over here is a tree and a Santa and a nice ornament. Over here it looks like there are some more decorations, that cute little penguin, some tree toppers. It's great if you have a small tree and you don't want something too big. Those are very nice. Over here some more signs. Oh, this was a three-parter. Depending on what you like, there's always a variety, so there's something for everyone. And another snowman over here, and some ornaments. Now, if you are maybe decorating a tree and you don't want to spend a lot of money, nice place to grab some ornaments. I like that believe. That's a nice sign to put in your front door or somewhere in a maybe a wreath. Let's see, look at those trees. Aren't those cute? Those might be nice to put on a table. Maybe you're having a Christmas party and you want to put several different things on the table to make it festive. Over here I found some crafts. Now that's an interesting rock, and there's also some ornaments over here if that's what you want to do. There was quite a few little things good for the kids to do during the holiday season and get them all excited. I found this great little car and it lights up. They also had houses, but I'm always partial to this car with the tree in the back. I don't know why, but it lights up and you can see it compared to the houses. They will light up as well, and you just click it on and off in the back. They're miniatures. Over here are some more nice trees. These are great if you have a village. You always need some extra trees, and sometimes they can be expensive, but not there. Here are some more crafts, items that you can paint, some wooden items, and those right there are just little containers. Now here we go looking at the stocking stuffer. They always like those light ups and the punch things that you punch. I don't know why the kids like those, but here are some fun things to put into the stocking stuffer. They love items that they have to open up and find out what's inside. You know, they're surprises. And here's some more. These are cards actually, and they looked kind of interesting. I was wondering what was inside, but I did not open them up. I might have to buy a whole bunch of stocking stuffers and then open them up in front of you so we can see what everything looks like, because you never know what they're going to have. And here are some figures. There's for boys and girls, and some girls like the boy stuff, some boys like the girl stuff, depending on what they like, but there's some of each. That's a cute little Tinkerbell. I'm always looking for Disney, so I thought that was very cute, and I'm always looking for Marvel or Star Wars. You never know. These are Legos right here, different colors. And here are some learning cards. I always think if you put in some learning cards in a stocking stuffer, kids think they're getting some kind of toy, and they could be getting something that helps them learn. Kids always like stickers, and these are like erasers and some other things that they might need for school. Dr. Seuss. Stickers. Here we go with the stickers. I always love stickers. I don't know what it is with kids and stickers, but they love them. Now here maybe you have a kid who's a little older. He needs pencils and pens and notebooks and pads. Maybe you have an adult, they want some candles. In my family, we always did, it didn't matter your age. You always got some stocking stuffers. There was some stuff for the car, stuff for your computer. There's a lot of little odds and ends that are always nice. You don't always want to get just candy. Look at, that's a nightlight with Grogu, and here's Peppa Pig. And that one looks like it's a princess. That one is a Marvel. Here are these little keys so you don't have to touch the door if you go somewhere and you're afraid they're dirty. Lights, you never know when you need a flashlight. Maybe kids like them in their room. There's some makeup. Little girls who like makeup, they like to play. It's better to get them the dollar variety, something cheap rather than something expensive. Maybe they just want to dabble. Or maybe it's an adult who really needs some makeup and is looking for a variety to see what they can get. You can get quite a bit here. And candy. You got to put candy in your stocking, right? Well, here is a bunch of different kinds of candy. Now, I didn't see any particular Christmas candy this year. Usually they got Christmas balls and nuggets and different things, but maybe they will later on in the year. But if not, there's always a lot of different candies you can find here. And of course, they love ring pops. Give them that, they'll be thrilled. Bubble gums. How many types of bubble gums and dum-dums are there? There is quite a bit. And maybe they like these. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked our video. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up.